Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm using Hydroflow by Elechem. So this is a powder-based eco resin here. So I have mixed my powder and liquid. So you will see the instructions for this product here is 2.5 parts powder to 1 part liquid activator. So I'm just mixing here. This is step 1 of what I'm creating today. So I have mixed the Hydroflow here, and now I will be adding a black pigment into this. So I'm going to create a crackle effect with Hydroflow today. So first layer is going to be black. Just make sure that there are no lumps. You just have to mix it perfectly. And also, if you're using eco resin for the first time, it is recommended that you pour liquid first and then add powder. So I'm going to make a trinket dish here. So first layer is going to be this black Hydroflow. I'm just making sure that the color is distributed evenly and it's mixed properly. And here we go, I'm adding the Hydroflow now. So I want this layer to be fairly thin. So here I'm just spreading the black Hydroflow into the trinket dish because, as I explained, that I need a very thin layer. It's almost done now, and I will be doing a little bit of tapping, and after that I will leave this to dry for around 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes my first layer is dried now. So here what I will be doing is I will be very gently pressing this dried Hydroflow. So I'm just trying to see that in which way I want to do the crackle effect. So I am just simply pressing it. Just press it really carefully. I don't want my Hydroflow to be popping everywhere, and also I don't want to disturb the pattern. I want the crackle effect, but I want the pattern also. So I am just really carefully cracking it. I want little gaps in between. So take your time in doing so. Sometimes I do think that we create things so carefully and we don't want a small crack, but sometimes we do that on purposely. So yeah, these are all techniques that we like to do. So after creating the effect, I am purposely creating gaps in between the cracks here. So at the moment, it's sort of a puzzle now. And also, I don't want the gaps to be too big. So this is the final look after doing the adjustments. So I'm just rearranging a little bit more before the final pour. So here I have mixed the simple white hydroflow here, and I'm going to fill up the trinket dish now with this white hydroflow. And I am very carefully pouring the hydroflow into the trinket dish because I don't want to disturb anything underneath. Otherwise the design will be ruined. And after that, a very gentle tapping. Again, the same reason that I don't want to disturb anything, and I will leave this to dry. I will see you after 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes, and you need to meet this one. I made this skull out of hydroflow, adding the black pigment. So I thought what I will be doing with this, you can leave it as it is. So what I did is I just added a little bit of gilding glue on the sides of my trinket dish to add a little bit of gold. And this is the final result. So what I'm doing here is I'm just pouring resin simply on top of it. You can leave the trinket dish like that, and then you can use cedar on top of it. I'm just going to take it on a little bit next level. So I'm adding a skull here. You can add anything. It's really up to you. Actually, I love the pattern that has been created by cracking the hydroflow. And after that, it's time to add the skull now. So I pour the resin on top of it. The resin will act as a glue, and I really don't want to add anything, and this will going to be curing by itself. I'm just adjusting the skull, and after that I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day with the final look, how it looks like. So this is the final look here. So you know I like to create sometime creepy stuff. So this is actually, I made this during the Halloween time but didn't found the time to post it. So you can see that I put the sweets on this trinket dish because of this reason, that it's Halloween and you put sweets into your trinket dishes. So I did like this. You can add different things. You can add a bird, you can add a unicorn. It's really up to you, whatever you like to add here, but I'm happy with the final result. And you can, if you don't want to add anything, you can leave the tray as it is. So this was a really quick and fun technique to do, and I really enjoyed making it. You can you make these in different colors also. You can do this with neons. They will create a beautiful effect when you do a gradient sort of neon first layer. I think I need to do that also, but now I'm just seeing that I am getting more ideas. So that's it for today, and I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.